Wala tayong kayano. Opo.
Wala si Arwin eh.
Bal! Number. Exit to take. CH kasi.
Son. Black by Availing the ball. Pass to Bautista. Shot. No, di ba may panaligan. Pass to Dakoy. Winsin. Panaligan to Abinales. Dakoy set the screen. Pass to panaligan. Quick. Stepping on the line. Ayuk to here. It's in. Azores pass to panaligan. Back to Azores to Abinales. To Dakoy. Just no good rebound by Azores. No good. Rebound niya ulit. Abinales. Panaligan fake. No good rebound by Dakoy. No good. Still by panaligan. To Dakoy. Wala ulit. Rebound ni Bautista. Bautista pass to Sam. Sam. No good rebound by panaligan. Abinales to panaligan. Back to Abinales. Next screen si Dakoy. Pass to. Nakuha rin ni Abinales. Naghanap ng pamasahan. Pass to panaligan. Drop pass to Azores. No good rebound by panaligan. Abinales. Ganda ng pasa kay panaligan. Drive. Azores. No good rebound by panaligan. Foul. Ulit rebound by Bautista. Pass to Gerald San. San tumanaksak. Rebound ni Bautista. It's in. 2 points. Alium to lead. No good rebound by Bautista. No good ulit. Rebound ulit. It's in para kay Bautista. Other rim. Pass to Bautista. Kanya ulit. San pass to Lim. It's in. 2 points. Dakoy. Still by Lim. Pass to Gerald San. Aliup kay Bautista. It's in. 12-5. Dining sang lamang. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Nakuha ni Gerald San. San pass to Lim. No good rebound by Dakoy. No good. The rebound ulit ni Lim. Wala. Out of panaligan. 2 points. Time remaining 6 minutes and 1 second. San to Bautista. Tumira. No good rebound by panaligan. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Still by Lim. Alium to brother Lim. Press inbound the ball. Pass to Abinales. To Dakoy. Using the glass. No good. Panaligan to pass to brother Lim. No good rebound by Bernales. Pass to Babagay. Rebound by Bernales. Fail. It's in. Good one para Bernales. 5 na lang ang alamangan ng Team Villains. Pass to Lim. Pass to brother Lim. Villains ball. 5 na lang ang alamangan ng Team Villains. 16-11. Lim pass to Gerald San. Alium kay Lim. Foul. Basket. Bernales. Last throw. Rebound by Babagay. Pass to Abinales for 3 points. Abinales. Gerald San to Lim. Back to Gerald San. Ladera to San. Still by Abinales. Bernales, it's in. Dalawa na lang. 18-16, lamang ang V-Lane. Ladera. Pass to Lin. No goal rebound by Bokila. Bokila, no goal rebound by Lin. At finalis, pass to Bernales. Still by Lin. 82 point or 18, lamang ang team V-Lane. Truel sa gitna. Bokila, no good. Rebound by Babagay, pass to Bokila again. Foul. Lastro. Rebound by Bernales. Pass to Bokila, back to Bernales. Truel sa kaliwa. Block by San. San, pass to Lim. Lim, rebound by Brother Lim. Alim to Lim. Ang ganda ng pasa ni San. Inbound by Panaligan, pass to Bernales. Back to Panaligan. Pass to Bokila. No good, rebound by nobody. Gerald Santos, over move. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Gerald San, pass to Lim. Alim to Christian Lim. It's in, Christian Lim. Lim, pass to San. Foul, counted. First throw. It's in, last throw para ay Panaligan.
Sorry, Ben.
It's in to Gerald San. Speed move, pass to Bokila.
Counted.
No good, rebound by Panaligan. No good again, rebound by nobody. Gerald San. Oy! It's in to goal. Back to San. For three, no good, rebound by Panaligan. No good, rebound by Daoy. Daoy, hook shot, using the glass. Score right 31-38. Rumay, no good, rebound by Bautista. Willings ball, natabek ni Panaligan. Christopher Lim, pass to Gerald San. San, dribbling the ball. 3 seconds. Abinales to Panaligan. Back to Abinales to Azores. Azores, no good, rebound by Bautista. Pass to Lim. Tumira. It's in. 2 points. Drop pass to Bautista. It's in. Panaligan to back to Panaligan. Abinales. It's 2 points para Abinales. And personal foul. First team foul. 5 na lang ang lamang team V-Lane. 30-35. First row, it's in. In favor of team V-Lane. Zan dribbling the ball. Nangingi ng screen. Using the glass. 2 points para Gerald Zan. A 5-point lead. Ng V-Lane. Panaligan, first personal foul. First team foul. Gerald Zan, no good, rebound by Abinales. Abinales, pass to Panaligan. Panaligan. Aliw pass para ila Igol. Pass mo Benales. Tumanaligan di Mike. Panaligan to Benales. Pass to Daw Igol. Daw Igol. Hinahalas na tatlo. Nakulani. Tambal. Paul Campes. Daw Igol. Daw Igol. First personal foul. Second team foul. Point shot. It's in by Christopher Lee. Daw Igol. Daw Igol pass to Azores. It's in. Foul. Azores inbound the ball. Pass to Abenales. Still by safe ball. Bukila to Panaligan. Panaligan drive. 2 points. Ladera drive. Easy layup. Score 44-38. Same ball. Bernales. Pass to Panaligan. Fake. No good rebound by Bernales. Bernales. 2 points para Bernales. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Geraldson. 2 points para Gerald. 8 ang alamangan ng Team V-Lane. Bernales. Pass to Bukila. No good. Rebound by San. Tulim. Ladera. Ladera. No good. Rebound by Panaligan. Foul. Foul. It's win to 1 point. Score ay 48-42. Lamang pa rin ang Team V-Lane. Gun dribbling the ball. Pass to Lim. Lim. Pass to Ladera. Ladera Brumaib. No good. Time out. V-Lane. Mga bata, mga tumira. Foul. Bernales. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Third.
Guys, thank you.
Lim, pass to brother Lim. Back to Lim. Ladera. Good. 2 points para kay Ladera. 5 na ang lamang ng Team V-Lane. Abenales. Tip by Ladera. Same ball. Abenales. Foul, Ladera. Penalty. Ladera, third personal foul. Fourth pala. Substitution. Last throw.
Teo. Opa.
It's good. 50-47 ang score. Foul. Bernales. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. San dribbling. Nag-set ng screen. Pass to Bautista. Hinaharas ni Bernales. Pass to Lim. Brumaib. Nakuha ni Bautista. Pass to Geraldson. 5 seconds to shoot. Steal by Bokila. Bokila to Bernales. Pass to Babagay. To Bernales. To Bernales. No good. 2 points by Jelzan. 52-47. Babagay. No good rebound by Lim. Foul. Bokila. Bernales. Pass to Bernales. Pass to Bokila. 2 points para Gerald Zan. Inbound the ball. Pass to Lim. Back to San. San. 2 points kay San. Abinales, pass to Babagay. Still by Bautista. Out of bounds. Dabar Tabs ball.
Sayang, no?
Bernales, pass to Babagay. To Gerald Zan, pass to Lim. Lim, no good rebound by Bernales. Pila. No good rebound by kanya ulit. Pass to steal by San. To Bautista. Foul. Who's foul? Bokila. Bernales. Back to Babagay. Babagay drive. No good rebound by Panaligan. Fake. Block by Lim. Lim pass to San. San alley-oop. No good. Rebound by Babagay. No good again. Rebound by Bokila. Bokila. 2 points. 5 na lang ang lamang ng Team V-Lane. Bautista. No good rebound by Abinales. Pass to Bokila. Foul. No good. Foul. Who's foul? Bautista. Warning for graduate.
May bala pa rin, diba?
Score ay 56-51. Lamang ng 5 ang Team V-Lane. Within. Ang oras ay 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Lim. Panaligan. Tumabagay. Steal by Lim. Foul. Baba. Baba lang daw, baba. Panaligan. Time remaining 1 minute and 33 seconds. For 3, no more dribble by. Out of bounds. 60-55, 5 na lang ang kalamangan. 1 minute and 27. Still by Lim. Block by Batila. Pass to Abinales. Abinales for 3. Out of bounds. V-Lane's ball. Lim pass to San. San. Pass to Lim. Wide open. 2 points para Lim. 62-55. Lamang pa rin ang Team V-Lane. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Nagkaroon ng papasaan. Pass to Babagay. Back to Panaligan. Drive. Kay Panaligan pa rin. Pass to Abinales. Abinales for 3. Ang oras ay 52 seconds. Time out. Dabar Tab. Nakakalabangan 60-64. Ang oras ay 39 seconds. Foul. Babagay, penalty. Babagay, warning for graduate. 15. Time out. Papakipruman sa kaliwa. 2 points para kay Babagay. San, hinaharas ni Babagay. San, nakawala. Foul. Dakoy-koy. Second personal foul. Penalty. Last 24 seconds, wala nang shot clock. It's in. Last throw. It's in again, 2 out of 2. 68-62. Babagay. No good. Out of bounds. 16 seconds. Panaligan. No good rebound by Islan. Last 10 seconds. Foul. Babagay. Score ay 69-62. 70-62 na. No good. 2-1. Nice game.